see me, huh?
I see you. Got them wheels.
Yep.
And you just still got it on coilovers?
Yep. I got like a hard fitting right there in the fender.
That stands for real. Well, you can't go on no bad streets. You can't go in West Wego. Not West Wego. You can't go in Marrero on certain streets. Anywhere on certain streets. Shit. God dang. Fixing that amp again.
Yep, I put 0 gauge in there.
That's what you need. And what brand of wheels is that?
Auden?
Yeah.
I bought them off of Facebook, some cheap little stuff just to make my car look kind of.
Them wheels ain't cheap.
Oh, no, these are fake, right?
Oh.
It's just, I bought them from folk. It's just something to just give it some type of pop.
Yeah, well, them people don't know that.
Yeah, I got my work wheels at home. I just don't get my barrels for next year.
Oh, you gonna change the barrel on it?
Yeah.
Yes, indeed, boy.
Coming back. For sure.
Man, I bet you everywhere you go, somebody say, "Man, it's bagged, right?"